I didn't ask to go with you to Mexico. I really didn't need the shopping spree in LA on Melrose. Boy, if you didn't know it, well, now you know. I didn't need the furs or the jewelry, because material things, it don't mean much to me. And ever since you've been gone, I've been holding us down on my own. But no, I never ever cheated, I never ever lied. So you can stop asking me why I never left you, and why I kept it real, and why I'm still with you. You should've known better than to think I would leave. You should've known better than to doubt me. It don't matter if you're up, matter if you're down. Either way, I'm gonna be around. You should've known that I would stay by your side. You should've known your girl was gonna ride or die. And it just don't matter if you rich or poor, out or in, doing 5 for 10. You should've known.